Greetings, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Today I'm going to show you a very useful Google image search function that has been added recently that will also save you a lot of time and hard work and software as well. So let's get right to it. All right, so we go to Google image search, as you can see here, and then there is called search by image button here. You click on it, and here you have the option of uploading a file from your hard disk or drag it to here, or alternatively paste an image link. So let's find an image. Let's say I'm searching for plant phenology, let's say journal abstract, and it is in the form of a text. There you go. You see a lot of this around the web. So here is one that looks interesting to me. So copy the link address. You don't need to save and upload the document or the image. You just copy the address, paste it here, as you can see, and then click on search. There you go. As you can see, ImageLens has already identified text in this image and already done the work for you. You can see that it is different highlighting different text sections. This is the abstract, and so I could take this part and just copy it, as you can see. You could also listen to it.
Abstract. Plant phenology is strongly controlled by climate and has consequently become one of the most reliable bioindicators.
After I copy it, I can paste it anywhere I want, as you can see here. I can also translate it to other languages. Let's say you are required to submit this text into different languages. So I'm translating this to Arabic, for example, or Spanish. There you go. You could always copy, of course, this translation and then use it. And so another thing is, of course, you can search this topic to find the actual article, which is going to be here. Impact of climate change on phenology. This is the original abstract and where the article is found. So as you can see, Google Images incorporating Google Lens is so much more useful now for students, for researchers, saving you a lot of time from saving the images, uploading them as PDF, or looking for OCR software. This is very interesting, and I thought I will share with you this, what I found useful with Google Images, Google Image Search, incorporating Google Lens. I hope you found it useful. If you do, please share it with others. Also, comment on it if you have any comment. And if you like this video, please like it and subscribe if you have not done so. Take good care, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.